financing for mobile phones,
Mm,
financing for B.Ed, M.Ed education,
mm,
uh, financing for various other reasons like car loans, housing loans.
mm. Correct. They give, but there is one more famous loan, some fruit growers loan.
Yes, of course,
Yeah, उसको
which is the
उसका बारे में भी जान लो जी.
okay, sir.
Very good. Now, can you tell me something about the digital banking that banks are now entering into on a large scale?
Sir, digital banking. Uh, uh, the modes of digital banking today are running are NEFT, RTGS, IMPS,
Hmm.
which provide various facilities. In that means instant facilities to a customer from wherever he is. He can purchase, sell through his phones,
Hmm.
through his PCs.
Hmm. Here you have to tell about net banking, mobile banking, and all that.
What, sir?
You have to tell about net banking, internet
Yes,
banking, mobile
yes,
banking, and other
mobile
things.
banking.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
very good.
Okay.
You told rightly. आपने
Okay.
भारत बिल पेमेंट सिस्टम का बारे में सुना है?
Yes, sir. सुना है.
वो क्या है?
Sir, this is also a mode of digital payment, sir.
हम्म,
But I don't know too much about that.
इसमें दिया है जी. Simply select from the options below and click on submit. Provide correct payment details on the next page to complete payment process. This facility is available to Jammu and Kashmir Bank InstaPay
Okay,
customers. No
okay,
registration is required. Jammu and
okay,
Kashmir Bank does not apply any charge for this service.
okay,
It is there
okay,
in
okay,
billdesk.com.
okay, okay, okay.
It is there in billdesk.com. Very
Dot
good.
com.
Excellent. आपको um, say what are the sectors that is coming under priority sector?
So there are 8 sectors in priority sector lending: agriculture, MSME, export credit, housing, education, infrastructure, renewable energy, and others. And this time, government introduced new thing in other sectors, startups.
Good. So nine, ना totally nine.
Yes, sir.
Totally nine बोलने से बढ़िया है. Good. Excellent. Now,
Thank you.
have you heard of the concept lead bank scheme? No.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Little bit I know about it.
Tell me.
Lead bank scheme is that schemes which lead other branches in that area.
Hmm. Hmm.
I know that's all.
That's all. No, no. Lead bank scheme is a scheme whereby a bank is given the lead district responsibility. They have to make a survey of the district, conduct
Okay,
meeting periodically, allocate
okay,
targets to banks for making finance so that the district can be improved.
okay, okay. For particular for districts only.
Yeah, yeah. Every district,
Okay,
one bank.
okay,
That is how it is done.
okay.
Okay, 1 minute. Um, yeah. Which newspaper do you read?
Sir, currently I am not reading a newspaper,
ऐसा मत
but
बोलना. ऐसा मत बोलना. किसी न्यूज़पेपर का नाम बता दो. आज से पढ़ना शुरू कर दो. एटलीस्ट
okay,
ऑनलाइन.
okay,
न्यूज़पेपर का
uh,
मतलब ये नहीं है कागज में पढ़ना है. यू कैन रीड ऑनलाइन ऑल्सो.
okay.
टेल मी.
I read the Hindu.
You read Hindu.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Can you remember the news items you have read yesterday or today? Today नहीं होगा. Yesterday or day before yesterday. Excuse me.
Hello,
Whatever news you have read yesterday or day before yesterday.
sir. I don't remember.
Thoda you practice that one, that will be better. Now I will
Okay,
ask
okay.
knowledge based question. What is
Okay.
nomination facility? Excuse me.
Nomination facility.
What is it?
Sir, I don't know.
Why? See, whenever we open a bank account, we do nominate a name of a person closely related to us, not related to us, so that in the eventuality of the death of the depositor,
Okay. I remember.
the money will go to the nominee.
Nominee.
This nomination process helps a lot in avoiding the lengthy legal process of obtaining what is that share legal heir certificate, etc.
Okay.
समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Have you heard of the new concept doorstep banking to senior citizens and differently abled persons?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
So it is basically provided by almost every bank in our India, uh, uh, which is especially to provide a facility to senior citizens and differently able persons so that they can easily operate their accounts uh, from their home. Banks charges for that some amount from them.
No, nearly 70-75 rupees.
Yes.
गुड. अच्छा जी, आपको जम्मू एंड कश्मीर बैंक में सेविंग्स बैंक का कितना इंटरेस्ट देता है?
Uh, so 2 point. I don't know accurately. Remember?
2.90.
Yes, sir. 2.9.
2.90. Minimum average monthly balance is rupees 1000 for SB general accounts.
Okay.
For non-residents, average quarterly balance is 2500.
Okay.
Who is an NRO?
Hello.
Who is NRO?
Anorbo?
Who is a non-resident? Hello? Hello? Non-resident कौन है?
Sir, non-residents are those currently who are not living in India. They are from abroad, but for their business purposes, they come to India. Then we call them non-residents.
Very good. Excellent.
Thank you.
Can you tell me what is the capital of Russia?
I don't know, sir. I don't know.
क्यों? Moscow. Hello?
Hello, are you talking about capital of Russia?
Capital of Russia.
Okay, Moscow. I know.
Moscow. Capital of Great Britain.
London.
Capital of Australia.
Sydney.
Canberra, na?
Canberra.
Capital of Canada.
Ottawa.
Capital of Afghanistan.
Kabul.
Bangladesh.
Dhaka.
Dhaka. Correct. Very good. Excellent. What is the currency of China?
China currency is yuan.
Yuan. What is the currency of Japan?
Japan currency is dinar.
Yen. Yen.
Yeah.
Very good. Then do you get some questions in your mind now to ask me?
Sir, about which?
No, anything. जो मन में आता है वो पूछ लीजिए.
Sir, you talked. Can I, if interviewers asked me about my strengths?
Yeah, only if they ask you, you can tell. Otherwise, when they ask you to introduce yourself, at that time, if they are remaining silent, you can tell about your strengths.
Okay.
Normally, they will ask what is the strength, what is the weakness, why you should be selected, etc. Separately.
Okay.
Kabhi, initially itself, if you get a chance to introduce yourself, you can tell about your strengths in communication and problem solving, leadership style, and say quick learning, time management. and say you are interested in joining the bank.
Okay.
Good. That's what is required. You seem to be a very confident person.
Thank you, sir.
From what I have observed last 14 minutes, you are
Yes.
a confident person. There should not be any problem. Your interview is only on 1st March, na?
Sir, yes, sir. I know they don't want to judge our knowledge. This is which is basically like the previous exams, pre and mains. They want to know that how behavior towards them, about our personality, about the person we are.
Yeah,
That's all. Nah?
that is true. But here, yesterday also,
Yes.
in SBI CBO, they do
Okay.
ask questions relating to what is UPI and other payments. Tell about asset anti money laundering KYC.
Okay.
ऐसा पूछ रहा
Okay.
है
Okay.
जी कल भी.
Okay. Sir, I am ready for that.
Yeah, yeah. So they do ask like that, and you must
Okay.
be able to manage. What are payment banks capital?
100 crore.
100 or 200?
Sir, 200 is for small finance banks and 100 crore for payment banks.
Excellent, good. This is how they will try to confuse you. You must be able to tell nicely.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Can you name
Sir,
can you name the lieutenant governor who was resigned yesterday or sent out yesterday?
Lieutenant Governor
Kiran Bedi.
resigned.
Ah, yes. Or she has been sent out. Full reason हम तो देखा नहीं. She is sent
Okay,
out and then now new person is Tamilisai Soundarajan, Telangana governor.
okay, okay, okay. Sir,
Hmm.
you observe my knowledge. You observe me. Then what do you think that where should I focus at least more?
Now your communication is very good,
Yes, sir.
except that you need to be more brief while talking
Okay,
and to the point.
okay.
Then
I
knowledge wise, I will rate it at 75% because I'm
okay,
not sure some of the areas you were not able to tell.
okay.
So you need to read a lot. You have my Telegram ID 72020, and in
Okay.
that lot of materials on from Bankers Adda etc. has been posted. You can download them and read also.
So what you observe from me that I give the answer in detail or brief
बहुत
or
लंबा
what?
बोलते हैं.
So I have to brief.
Yeah, even for that poem, आपने इतना sentence लिखा है. इसको आजकल तो समय तो बहुत कम है. I think you would have written 64 lines or 32 lines.
Yes.
Correct?
Huh.
How many lines were there?
So I didn't count.
It must be 64. So there we can choose to present the same concept. Some repetitions were there. So you can make it within, say, 32 lines, 62 lines, 16 lines like that. I mean, that is my view.
Okay, okay,
That is
okay.
my view. There may be some of us who like reading big novels and all.
Yes.
But आजकल का समय कहाँ है जी?
Hanji, Hanji.
That is the reason. Good. I will rate this interview at 8.5 out of 10. Totally.
So
Total
5 out of 10.
8.5 out of 10.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
8.5
So,
out of 10.
so
I would have given you 9 at the, say, your answers had been slightly brief.
okay, okay, okay.
Don't think
Okay.
I'm criticizing you.
सर नो 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 सर सर आपने अभी तक मैक्सिमम कितने दिए हैं
I have
जेएमके
so far
बैंक के लिए
given 9.5
ओके
for some people. Yesterday, there was one girl from Jammu and Kashmir, no, from. अरे भाई कितना बढ़िया she was one of the long videos, 1 hour video or so,
ओके
and she was talking so very nicely. Bari Bab. Sonali Gupta.
सर कैन आई हियर
So
और
you
सी दैट
can, it
इंटरव्यू
is there in the YouTube, na?
ओके
Yesterday's
ओके
video. Sonali
ओके
Gupta Ori boy, everybody gave 10 out of 10 for her.
Okay, okay.
Everybody gave 10 out of 10 for her. 1 minute. Let me check up whether I can access it and play a portion of it. But
Okay,
not that I am patronizing somebody or telling some good about somebody. But all the people who were present at that time,
okay,
actually it will be seen as Karnataka Bank interview only. And
okay.
but in that, in between, reverse repo. What is reverse repo? Yeah, good. How it will affect our economy? Increase or decrease? How it will affect our economy? I told very simply. Scheme, superb. Thank you, Rahul. Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Now, it must be there inside that. But to the point, if you answer, everybody will like. That's it.
Okay, okay,
You can see that the last, you run it up to the last, you will see people have awarded 10 out of 10 also.
okay,
There, in fact, there was discussion about bad bank, then ARCs, AMCs, so many things. Privatization of
okay,
bank. This has
okay,
been posted 16 hours ago.
okay, okay, okay,
उसको देख लीजिए आप, ठीक है?
okay, okay.
Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
8.5 is not a less mark, but
Yes, sir.
competition में देखने से कैसे होगा पता नहीं. And do you belong
Uh,
to reserved category?
yes, sir. RBA.
That means,
Reserve backward area.
oh, अच्छा अच्छा. Or I think you can also get under ex-serviceman category, na?
Sir, not in that case, but I have only one category, that is a reserve backward
Okay,
area.
okay. Here in Tamil Nadu, they give for soldiers' daughters under reserved
Okay,
category. Yeah. Best
okay,
wishes.
okay.
God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye.